Noise. 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 Noun. Definition: a sound, especially one that is loud or unpleasant or that causes disturbance. Example: making a noise like a pig in a trough. Noun. Definition: irregular fluctuations that accompany a transmitted electrical signal but are not part of it and tend to obscure it. Example: the enhancer can improve the video signal quality, reducing noise and increasing image sharpness. Transitive verb. Definition: talk about or make known publicly. Example: you've discovered something that should not be noised about.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.